cases where alam mo naman kami, we're just a fact-finding body, you know. And Attorney Karen, you help us a lot, especially in the preparation of the document. Not a lot of people are aware of this, kaya napakalaki ng role ni Attorney Karen dito. On the sidelines siya nagtatrabaho. But nonetheless, we prepared all the documents, we gave it to the investigating body, sa NBI, tapos pinadala din namin ng kopya yung National Prosecution Service. So, nakapag-file naman ng case, but unfortunately, all the cases that were filed were dismissed. No? Tapos, nag-refile ulit kami when I became mayor. I was asked again by the families, represented by Attorney Ferdy Topacio, na mag-file ulit kami. So, binago namin, winidraw namin yung weak cases, tapos nag-refile ulit. Pero unfortunately, na-dismiss ulit yung case. Kaya hanggang ngayon, nakalungkot nga na wala pa rin nananagot